What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2026 Jeep Compass. Like I said, it's a 26 Compass in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. And this Compass has the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. So as you can see, we've already got the hood popped and we're taking a look at the engine bay. This is going to be the cover for our engine air filter right here. And there's 5 screws that need to be removed. I've already got these 5 screws loosened up. These are going to be a 10mm socket, or you can use a regular Phillips head or flathead screwdriver. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we get those 5 screws out of there, then this will pick up like this. And here's our actual filter right here. This filter will come out like this. And once you get the filter out, it's a good idea to go ahead and clean this air box out, all the extra debris and stuff in there. You can use a rag or a shop vac. We'll grab our new replacement filter, and it's going to go in this orientation with this rubber gasket piece on the top. Make sure that's sitting in there, and we'll put this back on. And if you can see here, there's tabs on the back of this. They're going to fit in these slots along here. So that's the first thing that I'm going to line up like that. Get those slots in there, and then the final thing I'm going to do is put those 5 screws back in and tighten them down. And I'll do that after the video just to save time. And again, these are 10mm, or they'll take a Phillips or flathead screwdriver to put them back in. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.